One by one.
Arneta, kamusta kayo lahat? Kung nagpakilala mo na tayo, kasi 17 years na natin. Gawin natin ang original na ginagawa natin.
Reset!
Sino naman na?
As yung leader, ikaw ang maglilid.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ang your emotional leader, Seju. Let's go! Sejun. Samsara. Yeah, it is on break. Wala.
Ang charismatic member! Charismatic member!
Sabihin ko ba talaga yun?
Oo!
Ginawa na yun. Gagawin mo rin? Ano no? Gagawin niyo lahat yun?
Oo!
Gagawin ko kasi ginawa niyo. And the most charismatic member, yes!
Matagal ko nang hindi ito ginagawa. What is up, Arneta? It's your heavenly voice! Nice to meet you. Kamusta na? Oh, next. Ken.
It's very happy. Yes.
May ginagawa pa siya dati yun. Nakatamo. Oh, next.
I'm your new boy. Get in the zone!
And welcome to our 7th year anniversary concert!
Parang wala ng energy guys ah.
Oo nga eh. Masyado ata sila nabusog sa solos natin.
Alaman!
Ang dalawa.
Kaso, binusog mo raw eh.
Ha?
Binusog mo raw. Ang narinig kasi namin kanina. Ang narinig ko rin sa speech na. Gusto ko sa idol.
Okay na yung maganda. Meron pa mamaya si Pablo at si Ken.
Yes.
Pero syempre, hindi lang yung sineselebrate natin. Tonight, we are also celebrating these milestones with the one and only Francis Lubiran. Alam niyo sa totoo lang, 18, we're very nervous for tonight kasi this is a different collaboration. Like mixing yung fashion and yung SB19 performances. Pero I'm sure, hindi niyo makakalimutan itong gawin.
Talaga!
We are very
Talaga!
honored to present this different kind of collaboration, this kind of concert tonight. And we are hoping na excited kayo makita pa ang lahat. Tama ba, AJ? Do you guys want more? Okay, at dahil dyan, I think everyone's ready. Please welcome Maridance, W3, and Coach J!